Good morning. So this is Chris again. This is just a brief presentation about the marketing plan or income plan of Crypto Future. So I will just send a link below this video for the complete presentation because we have many languages that you can choose from so that you can view the presentation of Crypto Future. Okay. So let's start. So there will be an official launch of our crypto coin, which is KRPT. We have also the cold wallet wherein we can store our Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So once you become a member of Crypto Future, you can download and use this cold wallet. Okay. So we have also our crypto ATM that will be launched soon, and also our crypto card, where in the future is if you have a commission to Crypto Future, you can directly transfer that to this card and you can use this card everywhere you are in the world. Okay, so the daily income, we have only 3 ways or at least 4 ways of making money or making income here in Crypto Future. We have the daily income, which is up to 3% daily. So this is not a guaranteed income. Okay, so the income that the company is giving to us is from 0.5% to 3% daily for 200 business day. So this is from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday is not included for the passive income or the daily income. Now the minimum withdrawal of our company is $50, but there is a withdrawal fee that we need to incur once we withdraw our commission, but I will discuss that later. And then payments for all commissions is Monday to Friday, closing time at 00 Liverpool, United Kingdom. Okay, so that is 0.5% to 3%, up to 3% daily from our Bitcoin purchase. Okay, now the packages that we need to purchase from the company is one bot. We have their bots. They have the one bot. The minimum is $50. So this is the good news to this company. You can start at a small amount of $50. There is a points. Which is 50 also. So the point system here in our company is $1 by 1 point. Okay, we have 2 bots, which is $100, 100 points. 3 bots, $300. We have 4 bots, $500, and 5 bots, $1,000, and the corresponding points. So the biggest amount that we can put into this company is $100,000 with 100,000 points as well. Okay. So the direct indication, this is what we call the direct referral, wherein if you introduce someone to the platform from our affiliate program, you will earn 6%. So the only direct referral that we have from the Crypto Future is only 6%. Whatever package you got from the company, there will be no restrictions. Even if your entry is $50, you can still get 6% from all the amount of bots that your direct referral purchase. Okay, so 6%. For example, your a friend got a $1,000, of course you will get a direct referral of $60. Okay, and it also applies to all the packages. Okay, we have the binary system. The binary is they are going to get the 8% from your weak leg sales. Okay, now the weak leg sales is like, for example, you have sales on your left side, which is $500, and on your right side it's $1,000. So they will get the 8% on the $500, which is $40. Okay, so like for this example, the right team has the lowest score, totaling 6,000 points, generating binary of $480. So that is our binary income here, which is only 8%. Okay. Now we have also our residual income. This is the one of the best marketing plan also here in Crypto Future. You will earn 15% residual on earnings. Your team's diary divided into 10 levels. So this 2% earnings is coming from the passive income of your affiliate or your member. So meaning, like for example, I earn I'm your downline or I'm your member. I got $100 for the daily earnings, so you will get $2 for that. So this percentage or this residual income is coming from the passive income coming from your downline. So it's like a profit sharing, like for this one. So the profit sharing, I'm getting 23.23.02. They have also the binary payment of $16 and $80. So this profit sharing is coming from the passive income of your downlines up to 10th level. So let's go back. So first level to third level is 2%, fourth level to seventh level is 1.5%, and eighth level to 10th level is 1%. But there is a condition: you need to be ruby on your fourth level so that you will get this 1.5%, emerald, diamond, double diamond, triple diamond, crown diamond, and crown ambassador, so that you will get all of this. So the highest position that we have in our company is crown ambassador. So you will get at the 10th level of 2% to 1%. Okay, so the rewards, we have also the rewards. Accumulate points in your small team. Crypto Future recognizes the effort of your work and rewards you with rewards in Bitcoin. So this is a Bitcoin reward. So on your Pearl, once you reach the 1,000 points, you will get you will be a Pearl position. And then Sapphire is 5,000, Ruby is 40,000, and then Emerald is 200,000. This is a group sales of left and right. So for example, if you want to reach the Ruby, you should have $40,000 on the left and $40,000 on the right team sales. So you will get 1,500 reward worth of Bitcoins, and it applies also to the other positions. Like for example, you reach Crown Diamond or Crown Ambassador, you have a $10 million sales on your left side, and on your right side you will get 500,000 worth of Bitcoin rewards. Okay, now there is also qualification or bonuses. So once you reach Ruby, you will get the iPhone 12. So 40,000 points. The value is $1,500. Once you reach Emerald, you will get the bonus MacBook. And Diamond is a Rolex. And then Crypto Future Double Diamond, you will get a Mercedes Benz. And then Crypto Future Triple Diamond, you will get this Ferrari. I think this is a Ferrari car. Porsche. Sorry. That is a Porsche car. And then you will have this Lamborghini once you reach the Crown Diamond. And once you become the highest position in the company, which is Crown Ambassador, you will get a bonus yacht. So, which is a value of $500,000. So we have the system rules. The Monday to Friday withdrawals upon request you will receive between 24 to 48 hours. So I've already experienced withdrawing to this company, and it's credited in my wallet 24 to 48 hours, but there's sometimes an exemption. Okay, so sometimes if your withdrawal done on the Friday or Thursday, sometimes it will take 4 days. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is $50. It is necessary to receive the first withdrawal to be able to request a new one. So meaning the system should finish the first withdrawal before you can request again. So you cannot request multiple withdrawals on the account. Okay, so the maximum daily limit is the plan that you have chosen. So meaning the withdrawal, like for example, if your account is only $50 and you want to withdraw $100, you will not be allowed by the system because your plan is only $50. So you need to upgrade your plan so that you can withdraw more on the system. So to qualify binary, it is necessary to activate at least one plan on each side of your network. So meaning there should be there should be a requirement. There should be a direct referrer on your left side and on your right side. Okay. Upgrade, you must pay the difference of the value of the chosen plan. So meaning, like for example, if you got the $50 plan and you want to upgrade to $100 plan, you just only need to add additional $50, and it will apply also to all the packages. Okay, so renewal after complete the 300%. So meaning once you complete the 300%, just want to remind that the 300% includes your passive income and the active income. Okay, so meaning if you work on the company for, like for example, for 2 months, and your entry is $1,000 and you already earned $3,000, including the passive income and the active income, that your account will be stopped. Okay, you need to renew the account. So the withdrawal fee is daily is 10%, withdrawal fee for weekly is 7%, and withdrawal fee for monthly is 3%. Okay, now how the company will determine if you are withdrawing daily, weekly, or monthly. So the first withdrawal that you are going to do, you will only be charged 3%. Now the 3%, like for example, you withdraw again tomorrow, that's the time that the company will charge you 10% because you are withdrawing daily. Okay, so the first withdrawal will only be charged 3%, and the system will recognize if you are withdrawing monthly, weekly, or daily. That's the time that they will apply the charges. Okay, so this is the example of withdrawals of some of my members here in Crypto Future. So they already withdraw $64.98, $121, and there is a waiting approval for $411. So once it is processed in the system, you will see this notification which is finished already. So meaning it is credited in your blockchain wallet where you send the commissions. Okay, so this is the samples or the people who got their incentives. Like this one is Victor Denisov from Russia who got iPhone. So this is the position. Okay, Emerald. So he got a MacBook Pro, which is from Ukraine. Africa's first diamond, which is Pedro Damiao, which got a Rolex. Okay, we have also the double diamond. This is from Russia, Rinat Imashev and Maxim Kolenyak. So I really don't know if I pronounced the last name correctly. So we have also the crown diamond, which is Plurasi Martinez and Andrea Jaramillo from Colombia. So if you want to start with this opportunity with Crypto Future, you can sign up with a link that I will provide below this video, and also I will play a video on how you can easily join Crypto Future once you sign up on the link. Okay, so I will just play this video and watch.